Today I will be giving an introduction to cryptography. So cryptography is the technique of securing information by converting readable data known as a plain text into an unreadable form called ciphertext. It is used in computer networks to protect data from unauthorized access and ensure privacy during communication. Cryptography plays a vital role in applications such as online banking, secure messaging, and data transmission over the internet. So by using different encryption methods, it helps us maintain confidentiality, integrity, and security of information in the digital world. So the key concepts in cryptography is plain text, which is the original data, and ciphertext, which is the unreadable data. And the process of converting the plain text into a ciphertext is known as encryption. And the process of converting the ciphertext into plain text is known as decryption. And the key is basically a secret code for encryption and decryption. Next is types of cryptography. First one is symmetric key cryptography. So in this method, the same key is used for both encryption and decryption. This means the sender and receiver must share a common secret key. It is fast and efficient, but the main challenge is securely sharing the key. Next one is asymmetric. So in this method, two different keys are used, a public key and a private key. The public key is used to encrypt the data and the private key is used to decrypt the data. So this method is more secure because the keys are not shared directly. Next one is hash function. So hashing is a technique where data is converted into a fixed length value called a hash. So unlike encryption, hashing is a one-way process, which means the original data cannot be retrieved from the hash. It is mainly used for storing passwords securely. For example, when you enter a password on a website, it is stored as a hash rather than an actual password. There are two methods in cryptography, which are substitution ciphers and transposition ciphers. So first one is substitution ciphers. So in this method of encryption, where each letter in the plain text is replaced or substituted with another letter, symbol, or numbers. Like each character is substituted using a fixed rule. The position of the letter remains the same, only the letters change. So in this example, the plain text will be hello, and the rule is that shift each letter by 3, which is known as a Caesar cipher. So after H, the third letter will be K. After E, the third letter will be H. Similarly, all the letters in the text will be changed based on the rule that is provided. Next one is transposition ciphers. So it is a method where positions of the letters are changed, but the letters themselves remain the same. So it works basically like the characters are rearranged according to a pattern or a key. No letters are replaced, it is only shuffled. So in this particular example, the plain text is hello. The letters remains the same, only the positions are shuffled. So this is basically transposition cipher.